point deficit. How did you like the way the team stepped on the gas from the second quarter to ensure that the game is stable?
Yeah, first of all, we'd like to thank God for this win, and it's a great team out there. And you have to put it into context. This is a series, so this win means nothing kung hindi namin ma-close out. Yeah, same as nung eliminations, no. We medyo flat start kami, and that's something really we have to solve. We give credit to the other team. I think during the first half, 11 na yung 3 points na binitawan nila. So our guys are just mandun naman, pero we have to do more. Kung pumapasok yung tira, we have to adjust. So we have to do better on that. And then yung shooting percentage nila is at all-time high. I think 55% first half and in the first half. And it's nice naman kasi at least we showed some resilience. We were able to get back. Of course, with the help with this guy beside me. Kahit paano, we got our bearings. We were able to make stops. Yun naman pagdating sa playoffs, no matter how you score, kung hindi ka makastop, hindi ka makakabalik. So, yeah, pero game 1 pa lang to. We need to close this out on Friday. And I know may mga adjustments na gagawin si Coach Cheng, and that's a great team yung kalaban namin sa kabila. We just have to be ready and do the things that we did well. And hopefully we have a better start on Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Raffo. Now, Justin, in your first game back when I was on the sideline, how were you able to deliver despite a high-pressure game right now? How
Yun nga, siguro yun nga, yung focus kasi namin is manalo talaga Kasi this is pang-lima na namin to sa quarterfinals, and di pa kami nakakalusot sa 4 na yun. So super, kumbaga gigil talaga kami na makakuha and ma-seal yung panalo this game 1. And syempre, hopefully sa Wednesday makuha ulit namin Friday para at least makuha namin yung first semis, and yun. Big thanks sa coaches, and syempre nagtiwala sila sa amin, and especially sa sa teammates ko.
Thank you, Justin. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the media.
Thank you. Third quarter. Oh, that's big import conference Whenever you have an import tapos yung kabila wala, malaking bagay yun. Pero still, we weren't able to control that game nung third quarter. I think late in the fourth If you can remember, mga nagpapalitan pa yung lamang nun or lamang man kami pero isang possession lang. So that's a testament on how good the other team is. Yun nga lang, at least it's a good break for us. Nawala si Dion, who's really a big presence inside. But again, we have to do better sa Friday. Hindi na kami kailangan umasa sa ganyan kasi we just had the break na fouled out siya. Sa Friday, we have to prepare na matatapos niya yung game.
But could be right advantage on different social way to kumbaga you can control to sa open possibly have the advantage to finish off in the
Yeah, kahit na kasi yung preparation namin naandun siya the whole game And yung preparation din namin parang we want to match up with them at their best. So yun ang pinagpreparahan namin. So sa same way sa Friday we know na magiging kumpleto sila, and yun ang magiging preparation namin na they are hitting at all cylinders like this. So we just have to be more resilient sa mga ganyan and to start better this coming Friday.
Justin, the one isa sa motivations here to happen sa pero at the same time, was the competition kanina mag-motivate na lahat kasi parang nakita ko at sa motivation. So, yung ganun competitiveness ba,
Siyempre, mas nakaka-motivate rin, lalo na kung gusto mong pakita kung sino ka. I mean, kung anong kaya mo sa loob ng court. And siyempre, yun, Chongson is a competitor. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng parang magpabully lang. Siyempre, kung kaya kong pumalag, papalag naman talaga. So, yun.
Yeah.
Anything that you saw sa early start of the Rain or Shine na you were concerned about? Kasi, like you mentioned, yung nangyari the first game. Anything that, ano ba nangyari sa start nyo na naging flat level? Anong last adjustments na kailangan gawin?
Well, they are just medyo comfortable lang yung mga shots nila and they were not missing during that time. I think nasa 60 yata yun sa first quarter, kaya medyo 55 nung halftime At tapos yung threes nila, lahat kahit yung 5 na nasa loob, sumushoot Ngayon, may mga times na nasa harap kami, pero siguro we have to do more. Kung nakakashoot na sila ng may bantay, medyo kailangan higpitan pa ng kaunti. So yun, may i-focus namin yun na just be tighter. They have to feel the defense kasi parang nung start, it's just too comfortable for them making shots, parang stand still, mga catch and shoot So that's what we have to adjust sa next game, na make them a little more uncomfortable sa mga ganung, walang masyadong open shots. Then mahirap din kasi nga dahil malaki yung import, kailangan kahit papaano humelp So yun ang kailangan namin ma-solve, papaano na to keep someone in front of someone. Kung papaano gawin yun, siguro pag-iisipan kasi ang laki din ng Thompson, kailangan mo din tumulong ka doon, ang laki din niya sa yun. So yeah.
Kasi natin mo kami na last conference, one confirm na mapasok sa iyo sa Alonso. Now, they want you or they dalawang chances yung mapasok mo sa iyo kayo na yung opportunity nila ano ba yun?
Siyempre, malaki para sa amin yun Pero yun nga, hindi naman namin mamadaliin yan. Kung siyempre, one game at a time pa rin. Siyempre, hindi kami pwede magkumpiyansa sa Rain or Shine kasi super talented team talaga sila. So, one step at a time lang kami and pagtatrabuhan namin and mag-a-adjust kami kung ano man yung mga mahanap namin versus sa Rain or Shine.
That rounds off our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
God bless.